Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send an email on Gmail to multiple people at once. First step you need to do is to open your email and click on compose. So once you are here you can see two. So I'm going to add an email xyz@gmail.com. So once you add it, you simply need to hit enter, and here you can see you have an option to add another email. So I'm going to add abc@gmail.com. Click hit enter, and you need to follow the same process to add other emails and add subject and add your email and click on send in the bottom. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.